Enjoy the Chesapeake lifestyle in this fabulous 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. Built in 2020 with a clean and well-planned 2,700 square feet floor plan. This beautiful home will sell fast. Conveniently located. New home in Heart of Hickory in Chesapeake, with shopping, restaurants, Edinburgh, and the interstate nearby. This quality, newly constructed home is built on a large, private lot. The popular William model by Hastings Homes has a beautifully appointed kitchen, including a gas cooktop, and stainless steel wall ovens, beautiful granite countertops and island, and custom cabinets. The floor plan is thoughtfully laid out with the master suite on the 2nd floor, along with 3 large bedrooms which all have walk-in closets. All bathroom floors have tile. The master bath is finished with a surround tile shower. 1-year building warranty. Only 2 left.